Welcome to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest beauty must-haves with a real-world touch. If you're searching for the perfect lipstick that delivers comfort, color, and longevity, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Lancôme l'Absolu Rouge Hydrating Cream Lipstick in the shade 337 Blush Classique, a gorgeous, cool mauve pink that promises all-day wear with a satin finish. But does it live up to its claims? Let's dive into the details. First off, the Lancôme l'Absolu Rouge isn't just another lipstick. This is a hydrating cream formula designed to offer up to 18 hours of smudge-resistant wear. The texture is lightweight, and it glides on smoothly thanks to its creamy consistency. It's packed with pigments that give you rich color with a semi-matte finish, but without the dryness you'd expect from other long-wear formulas. As a fan of both comfort and staying power, I put this lipstick to the test in my daily routine. I applied it in the morning and wore it throughout a busy day, from meetings to lunch and even a coffee break. It really surprised me with how comfortable it stayed on my lips. I didn't feel the need to reapply for hours, and when I did, the application was smooth without tugging or dryness. This lipstick truly delivers on its claim of hydration. My lips felt soft and nourished, and the color didn't fade or feather out over time. There's no denying that the pigment is intense. A couple of swipes gives you full coverage, and that cool mauve pink shade is universally flattering, especially for cooler undertones. The satin finish is perfect if you want a sophisticated yet fresh look. However, it's not as glossy as some may expect from other hydrating formulas, but it's still luminous enough to provide that plump effect. Now, let's talk pros and cons. The texture is definitely a standout, hydrating, smooth, and lightweight. The longevity is impressive. I'm talking hours of wear with minimal touch-ups. The shade Blush Classique is beautiful, offering a balanced, cool pink that works for both casual and more polished looks. But as with any lipstick, there are a few things to consider. While it's long-lasting, it does transfer a little, though nothing extreme. Also, those looking for a super glossy finish might find this satin finish a little more subdued than expected. When it comes to value for money, Lancôme l'Absolu Rouge is on the higher end, but I believe it's worth it if you're after comfort, hydration, and a sophisticated look that holds up through a busy day. You're not just paying for the brand name, but for that luxurious, hydrating formula that stays put. I'd recommend this lipstick to anyone who values long-lasting comfort without sacrificing a vibrant finish. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are other hydrating lipsticks out there that are a bit more budget-friendly. However, none quite match Lancôme's formula for both color intensity and comfort in the long-term wear category. If you're looking for something similar, but at a lower price point, products from brands like Maybelline or Revlon may offer comparable performance, but with a slightly different finish. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried the Lancôme l'Absolu Rouge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, or if you're itching to try it, check out the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.